Well, no. I don't think I have the talent of predicting the future. But yeah, some people do it based on tarot cards, some people do it based on astrology, some people do it based on the palm of your hand. And of course, we all try to predict the future to an extent based on what we know and based on our area of expertise. So the truth is, by the time you finish your 4-year degree, half of what you have learned may already be outdated. Think about it. AI is moving so fast that universities can't keep up. The world you're preparing for in college might not even exist by the time you graduate. So let me give you some perspective first. What is the reality of AI's speed right now? In just the past year, AI has gone from writing essays to creating full apps, generating art, analyzing medical scans, even coding video games. That's in 12 months, by the way. Now imagine where we'll be in 2030, 5 years from now. Universities, on the other hand, take years to update syllabus. Professors often teach from textbooks that are at least 5-10 years old. That mismatch is a huge problem. Huge problem. So where's the shift in value? Here's the truth. Employers are starting to care less about the degree that you hold and more about the skills that you can demonstrate. This has been happening over the last 2-3 years. A degree still matters, of course it does. It gives you credibility. It shows commitment above everything else. But is it enough? No, it's no longer enough. In 2030, your adaptability, your portfolio, and your ability to work with AI will matter more than just your paper certificate. And believe me, it is going to be just a paper certificate. So what to do instead? Or if you are in college and you're following the traditional route, what can you do with college alongside your degree? Number one, treat college as a base camp, not the mountain. Think of your degree as a foundation. It's not the finish line. It can't be. The world no longer rewards people who stop learning after graduation. It rewards people who are lifelong learners. So the idea is to be able to show that ability, that you can learn and solve problems continuously for the rest of your life. Number two, learn AI. Don't fear it. Don't stay stagnant. Don't avoid it. Every career will be touched by AI. If you're in medicine, AI will help diagnose patients. If you're in agriculture, AI will help predict crop patterns, even weather patterns. If you are in literature, AI is already continuously analyzing texts. Instead of asking, will AI take my job? Ask how I can use AI in my job. Learn prompt engineering, automation tools, coding basics, even just how to use ChatGPT effectively now is a skill. Number three, build future-proof skills. AI is powerful, yes, but it can't replace everything. Skills like critical thinking, adaptability, creativity, emotional intelligence, communication, problem solving, these skills are not skills that will be taken over by AI. These are very humane skills, and these are the skills which will set people apart in 5 years. Already, actually. These are the human skills that employers will desperately need because machines cannot replicate these skills well. Number four, create proof of work. Don't wait for someone to give you permission now. That time has long gone by. Start a blog, start a YouTube channel, a GitHub repository, a design portfolio, anything that shows what you do. By 2030, your digital footprint, your proof that you can do will matter more than your resume. Number five, blend disciplines. The future isn't about being the best at one narrow thing. We're talking about generalists now. It's about combining fields. Imagine a psychologist who knows AI, a farmer who knows drones, a teacher who knows digital content creation. The winners will be those who stand at the intersection of 2 or 3 disciplines. That's a fact. Number six, think global, not just local. The world is so shrinked already. Work is no longer limited to your city or your country. By 2030, you might be working with 5 teams across 5 time zones. That means English, cross-cultural communication, and global digital skills are as important as any technical skills that you can learn. Last but not the least, number 7, adopt an entrepreneurial mindset. Stop asking what job will I get. Start asking what problems can I solve. The best opportunities in 2030 will go to those people who can spot problems and design solutions for those problems. Sometimes even creating their own jobs. Why do you want to light your own kitchen? You can light 10 other kitchens also. So what is my vision for 2030? Well, picture this. It's the year 2030. Some of your classmates are stuck, frustrated, saying, but I have a degree, why don't I have a job? Others, those who kept learning, kept experimenting, kept adopting, they'll be thriving. They'll be in careers that don't even exist today. AI ethicists, climate tech entrepreneurs, digital storytellers, space economy strategists. The difference would not be the degree that they got in 2025. The difference will be the skills that they kept on building throughout their college years. The difference will be the mindset that they adopted and their ability to work with AI, not against it. So here's my advice. Don't throw away your degree. That's not what I'm saying. It's still valuable, but do not depend upon it as your only ticket to the future. That is not going to work. See your degree as a starting point. Learn AI, build human skills, create proof of work, like I said, blend disciplines, think globally, and solve problems. Because the truth is, by 2030, the winners will not be the ones with the fanciest degrees. The winners will be people who learned how to learn, people who adapted to change, and people who build skills that no artificial intelligence can replace. And that can be you. But you need to start today. You need to start now. Good luck.